Good morning. We're here at what is it? Praia Ipenema in Pontal, Parana. And we've been waiting for a couple of days for some sun. And it's going to poke through a little bit, but it's pretty cloudy. So we're actually staying in that blue and yellow building right behind me. I just want to walk on the beach a little bit here and show you what it looks like. So here we go. So we're on a little path, and you can see we're right on the beach. Nice location. Got a little balcony that overlooks the beach. And as I say, we've been here for several days. The day we got here, it was rainy, cloudy. And the second day was a nice sunny day. We were able to enjoy the beach. And then the last 2 days have been rainy, cloudy, a little chilly to be on the beach when it's breezy. So we actually decided that we're going to change locations. We're going to leave basically a day and a half early because the forecast is again for showers this afternoon and some more showers on tomorrow. Of course, the forecast varies. It is a Sunday here, so there's a ton of people. We got here on a Wednesday afternoon. Thursday, basically the whole beach was empty. There's probably, in this area where we were at, there's probably 5 more people. So hopefully the wind isn't too bad. It's in my face. When I turn around, it'll get better. But you can see it's a nice beach. It goes on for as far as you can see in both directions. It's not as built up. It's not as much infrastructure in this area as some of the other areas. Matinhos has more apartment buildings, more amenities. This would be a great place to, if you have kids, bring them here and just let them loose on the beach. But you kind of have to get in your car if you want food. Restaurants and such, and supermarkets. If you're towards Matinhos, you'll probably be able to get a place where you can walk to places without any issues. So, like I say, you can see there's a bunch of people up here. And that's kind of the center of this Ipenema beach area. Like I say, we watched some videos of this place, and of course you see the people that are doing the videos are going to pick the nicest days, the sunniest days, and I don't know, like you say, I went down here in the south, I seem to run into more clouds and rain than actual sunny days like today, and you can see that there's enough clouds out there. There's the possibility of showers at some point during the day. So I guess it's one of those expectations versus reality things where you watch the videos and it's all so beautiful and everything's so nice, and then you get there and it's still nice. It's just you've created this thing in your head that it's going to be better, different, so if you I would definitely recommend coming here, but because the weather is so variable, um, it's, I don't know, it's, you may end up spending a day or two with clouds and rain, so you have to have something planned for that too. There's a lot of places for rent around here. The other thing about this area, this Ipenema area, was the rentals, Airbnbs, and posadas and stuff were quite a bit less expensive. And windy today. And I guess this is one of those places where busy on the weekends. That's where we are, about an hour and a half from Curitiba. And Curitiba metro area, so it's a fairly quick Friday afternoon drive to spend a weekend on the beach. And the water is quite warm. My wife would say it's probably a little chilly, but I found it quite refreshing and warm. Once you're in there, it's quite comfortable. So we'll get down close to this group of people, and then we'll head back the other way. I don't know how the sound's going to come out because it is blowing pretty heavy in my face. So we're getting towards the center, main area, a little commercial area, this Ipenema beach area, and you can see there's a lot more people selling things. Tons of people in the water. They actually have lifeguards down in this area too, so. Definitely a different vibe than some of the other beaches we've been to in Brazil. It's definitely not the Itapemas, Balneário Camboriús of beaches. Those are more of a little higher end, more touristy areas. I think this is more of a family, working person's beach and area. guess this is the place to be on the weekends. It's near us. There's not many people selling much of anything. And, coconuts. Lots of people in the water. So. I think I might turn around and head back and see. Kibon. Have a tableta or something there, ice cream that I really like. So gotta stay away from the Kibon guy. So we'll turn around and head back our way. I've got a couple of lifeguards there. So you can see that it's cloudy, overcast. I don't know how long the sun's going to last, but we'll see. As I say, we decided yesterday when it was cold and windy and cloudy and rainy, and it's like, we've had enough. We'll head back to towards Curitiba, and more things to do. And we're not waiting on the weather. You can do just about anything you want. Because the forecast here is, I don't know, for later today, showers. Tomorrow, kind of cloudy and showers. Maybe some sun. Who knows? So. I don't know, so if anybody else has been down into these areas, what do you think of the beaches in the south? Santa Catarina, Parana. Oh, I like it, it's the beach. It's just, like I say, from some of my Blue Now videos, that the weather is just so, I don't know, I think 80% of the time it's cloudy or raining for us. And we've been here at different times of the year. We haven't been here in the middle of winter, but obviously it's going to be much colder then, so it won't be better. So, yeah, and we come from Nordeste a week or so ago, and it's pretty consistently warm there, and the water's beautiful. You get a shower in the afternoon, but it's done in half an hour. So, yeah, like I say, let me know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video from, I'm not sure, probably Curitiba. I don't know what the next video is going to be. So, we'll see you there. Have a great day. Hopefully it's a beach where you are.